Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create Reddit account. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and from here what I'm going to do, I'm going to just double check if the Reddit app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and get right on it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and open up the Reddit, right? And as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. And as you can see, I haven't logged in with my account. So I'm going to click on my profile icon at the top right, and from here you're going to see sign up and log in. Click on it, and basically you're going to see an option to create an account to continue, right? And if you want to continue with the phone number or with the email, or you can choose the easier option, which is signing up with your Google account or Apple, right? And if you want to continue with either of these choices, just go ahead right here and say, let's say for example an email, add your email and add your password, and just agree to get emails from Reddit, and afterwards you're gonna be easily logged into your Reddit account, and you're gonna be able to see the home feed of the Reddit. And the same goes for phone number, and you will need a verification, of course, so you can get some of the features within the Reddit app. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.